Hello! We are continuing with tutorial for beginner, and today we will learn something interesting. You will learn a little bit more, but let's see what will we get when we execute this code. So we have movement, text, and image. Okay, you can write this code or you can write it with me from beginning. So let's start. First, I will explain some simple thing. We will declare two variables. One will be integer and other variable will be Boolean variable, which can be true or false. We will declare it as a true. In a function process, we will write some code. Whenever you use a delta function and you don't want to exactly implement delta time inside your code, you can write this and you will not get some warning. So without this, your code will have a warning about argument. The argument delta is never used in a function process. So if you want to escape this warning, or if you don't want to see this warning, use this underscore. And now I will explain you something else which is interesting. With this icon, we are addressing or using this node icon, and we are setting rotation with a set rotation, which is explained in previous video, and we are using this d variable. D variable in beginning is 0 and variable is increased. Another thing is using of label. This is also explained in one of previous lesson, and we are using text property for variable, for a label, and you can see some text on a screen. In our situation, there are numbers on a screen. So with this, we are addressing label and using text to see some text on a screen. Other thing are this variable turn. When you write turn like this, this means the same like you write turn equal true. And here we have some conditional branching. I will explain it now. Conditional branching with if means if some conditions are, then some code will be executed. In this situation, we have 3 lines of code and 2 conditions. First condition, d must be lower than 1, and turn must be true. In this situation, rotation will be v, but this rotation is increased till till this conditional branching is okay. So If d is lower than 1, we have changing in one side till 1, and then something other is happening. If d have this condition, turn is false, which mean you will not have rotation in one side. And if turn is false and d is have this condition, you will have rotation, but this rotation will be in other side, because we use minus equal, means lowering by parameter. So variable is lowering by 0.01, and we have text on a screen. And this is all for this lesson. I hope you like it. You can use it maybe in some beginning of your project. We will continue in the next lecture. Goodbye.